Madalas ba kayong magtalo bilang mag-asawa? Hello, hello, hello! Hello Philippines! Hello world! Panibagong buhay, panibagong pag-asa. Ito po si Kalabs TV Vlog. Nasa inyo'y bumabati. Chawot! Aray ko! May mga pagkakataon sa marriage na parang gusto mong patunayan na tama ka na kailangan mong manalo sa argumento para maramdaman mong na intindihin ka. Pero kung titingnan mo ng mas malalim, hindi ba minsan kahit nanalo ka na sa usapan, parang may nawala naman sa inyo? Because the truth is marriage is not about winning arguments. It's about protecting the bond that holds together. Sa totoo lang, hindi problema ang pagkakaiba ng opinyon. Normal yan. Two different people. Two different perspective. Ang challenge is how we respond. Kapag hindi na tayo nagkakasundo, kapag pinili mong ipaglaban ang ego mo kaysa sa relasyon nyo, unti-unting nagkakaroon ng distance. Words become sharper, walls become higher, and connection slowly fades. But when you shift your mindset from how do I win to how do we understand each other better, everything changes. Minsan, ang mas powerful na move is not providing your paint, but choosing to listen, choosing to post before reacting, choosing to ask, ano ba talagang nararamdaman mo? Instead of, bakit mali ka? Because protecting your marriage means protecting the safe space between you. Yung lugar na kung saan pwede kayong maging totoo kahit hindi perfect. Hindi ito tungkol sa pagiging mahina. It's actually strength, the kind that builds trust. Not fear, the kind past heals, not hurts. So the next time you find yourself in a healed moment, try this. Take a breath, lower your voice, and remind yourself, mas mahalaga ba na tama ako? O mahalaga ba na maayos kami? That one shift can save more than just the conversation. It can protect your relationship. If this message speaks to you, maybe it's time to start choosing connection over correction. Hindi kailangang maging perfect. Just be willing to grow together. Hay, dumugo yata ilong ko. Chawot! Ikaw ba naman nang mag-Ingles Diba dudugo ang ilong mo? Diyos ko po, Rudy. Hindi, pinapractice ko lang magsalita ng Ingles. kung bulol pa ba ako. Kasi simula nang ma-stroke ako, naging bulol at parang utal-utal na akong magsalita. Kaya nag-try akong mag-Ingles. Tingin ko naman parang naintindihan nyo naman ata ang Ingles ko. Ciao!